Hello, maayong gabi. Sana napunta sa atong daily routine. Ang magsinamok sa ato ang gituturan online tutorial. But while waiting, so what if mag FM radio 98.3 sa taba? Mag late night confession ba na siyang tawag? Well, anyway, so if you're still awake right now, I hope you're not just scrolling through your phone trying to distract a heart that's already too loud. Because I know the feeling, actually. The one where you replay conversations that already ended. My God, so hurt. The one where you wonder what you did wrong, even if you tried your best. The one where you start believing that maybe, just maybe, you were never really enough to begin with. But listen, charm. Hi. Some people will love you only until it becomes inconvenient. They will stay as long as you are easy to love and leave the moment loving you requires effort, patience, or sacrifice. And the painful part is not the leaving. It's how they made you question yourself before they even went. You start fixing yourself in silence, lowering your voice, changing your tone, overthinking your messages, begging without words just to not be left on a pinakasakit. And slowly, you disappear from yourself just to stay in someone else's life. But let me tell you something that hurts but heals. You were not too much. You were just too real for someone who loved half-heartedly. And real love doesn't need to survive. So if someone made you feel like you had to earn their attention, like you had to shrink just to be tolerated, like your presence was a privilege they could withdraw anytime, that was never love. That was you slowly giving your heart to someone who didn't know how to hold it gently. And I know it hurts to accept that. Because accepting, it means accepting that you didn't fail. You were just fighting for something that was never fighting for you. So tonight, if your chest feels heavy, don't call it weakness. Call it awakening. Because the moment you realize you were never not enough is the moment you stop begging to be chosen. Diba? Sometimes, the hardest goodbye is not to a person, but to the version of you that keep trying to be enough for them. Ang yun na siyang pinakasakit. Keep moving forward, oy, laban na sa ato ang life. Anyway, bye for now. Continues ako sa tutorial.